Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this year's GS Purchase Class Year 4. And I'm your advisor, Roberto Layade Chu. At this point, I want you to be welcome in the world of research, where research turns out to be a big thing in the academy, which is a cycle of a problem and solution. Now, this is also a preparation for you guys for the next step in your academic ladder, which is the senior high school, where this would be your starter as a researcher. What are the things that you want to see here is that this is a project where I will guide you on how to create now research. Another thing is I'm also your igniter of the thoughts or thinking process that will happen here in your GRS program. Another thing is I'm very excited is that we're going to have some arguments where you might think that I'm your enemy, and then but technically I'll be your ally, or I'll be on your side whenever you did your project. And especially from the beginning till the end, I'll be your supporter with this endeavor. At this point of time, I would like to introduce myself. Who am I? So, first thing, I'm a math teacher, and that is my foundation. How did I love research, which is math? And then now, I'm also an educational technologist. I really love math combining with the technology and then educating kids because using of technology. Another thing is that I would like to be part of the professional development where I also guide not only students but also faculty when it comes to the research and other endeavor in the educational paradigm. And lastly, I am a researcher where I turn out to love research because it's something that I can contribute to the world, or should I say to the academe and and to the cycle of the problem and solution. And in specific, I would like to brag or share this one is that I coach math competition, and this one part of my idea why I turned out to be a researcher. Another thing is that I was recognized and I was awarded as Microsoft Education Ambassador, and as well as in the international paradigm, I was one of the Microsoft Innovative Educator Expert from the Philippines. And lastly is that I do my research not just because of paper, but also presenting it both in national and international conferences. I believe at this point, I give my expectation to what will happen to our program. First one is that this program really works with collaboration. Um, you think that collaboration might happen between or among you and your classmates. However, the collaboration also happen with me as your advisor, with your teacher, where they will guide you on their perspective on how to look at the paper or your research project that you're doing, and collaborate as well with the respondents or the participants of your research, because it's very important to work hand in hand with other human groups or human that would influence your research. Another is that this is also, I would like you to look at it with rationality or with reason, that we're doing this to prepare you. And this is something that, like, because this is just a requirement, or this is just like an activity of Mr. Leandro or the great and teachers, just for us to have burden. However, we need to be rational that this program would be preparing you. This is also another thing that we would like to look at, is that it's okay to have mistakes and our perspective so that we could change. Sometimes there are more learning in having mistakes. However, that's why this program name as guided research is that to limit the mistakes that we're going to have in this research, and to be proper when doing the research activity, and to get more skills more than just a research. However, by also doing the presentation, doing reports, those are things that we'd like to look at here. And lastly, and anything that we're going to do, that is that a perspective of enjoyment, and I expect you to enjoy in the process of doing this one, we will be doing this every week, every Friday, but most of the time, this you'll be doing this off. We'll be doing off the schedule because there are a lot of preparation, there are a lot of readings, there are a lot of things that you're going to do before we get into the submission, before we get into the presentation. Because research is a very good activity where the totality of the skills of every individual will be considered. Lastly, thank you very much for watching. Hoping to see you in person. And then, if you have any question, you can plug into our learning management system, which is Canvas. If you have any question or clarification regarding the program of Genius for GHS. Once again, I am Roberto Reage Jr., your advisor for GHS Year 4.